Hey guys, welcome. So I'm testing my indicator, which is EMA plus ATR scalping indicator in Nifty. So look at the one of the beauty of this indicator. It is a 15-minute candle. I have enabled this no trading zone area as well, background and the labels. So right now market is coming down and it is telling you that you don't need to be in the trade right now. Until you get the confirmation, you don't need to enter the trade. That is the beauty of the indicator. That is how it is preventing you for any false trades. So see, this is the red candle coming up. There was a signal here as well, but eventually it got closed upper side. Now it is doing the same. It only generates a signal when closing is below ATR. This is the ATR line, or I can say my trailing stop loss line. I didn't take this trade. Obviously, it was the last 15 minutes of Friday. And now look at the beauty, man. I have mentioned no trading zone here, and it is clearly telling you. Okay, so yeah, that's why I wanted to create a recording here to show you the live example how it works. Let's see the bank nifty as well. Bank nifty, it's already in the like in the trade area. It didn't give the signal here, reason being it already generated a signal here. Okay, so it's coming down. So according to it, trade is already on. Okay, but I didn't take the trading. I didn't take the trade, to be honest. I was busy with my office work, but just wanted to share you the live example. Or if I remove, or not remove, reduce. So if I use trade cooldown period to 3, there was the signal. I have moved it to 4. You can modify it as per your need. You can leave it to 2 as well if you want to pick it from the top, but we need the confirmation. Okay, so that is the thing. It was used for because to avoid false signal in sideways market. Okay, so signal is on, trade is on as per the signal. Obviously premium momentum won't be that much good now because we know in our nifty bank nifty there is so much premium decay, but it would work awesome in forex or mcx or crypto. That would be phenomenal. I'm using it in my crypto account and giving me very good results. I'm able to capture huge points there. Here I only use it for scalping, but today I didn't take the trade as of now. Okay, so that could be the rejection area, which, like I posted on the Telegram channel, that it could bounce from here. Okay, now back to nifty, still says no trading zone. Wow. So it's on 15-minute candle. That can be done on 5 minutes as well. Okay, okay, in morning we already had a signal. So when it was trying to reverse, this area came up, that no trading zone. Here there are a lot of signals, so what you can do is simply go to settings and remove the labels, only the labels, background is there, so it is telling you that it's a no trading area, no trading zone. Signal was at the top, so if it comes down, no, you'll have a huge profit, whatever the strike price was there. And if it comes to today's low, that would be awesome. Now need to see whether it would happen or not. But if it goes up, then you will get another buy signal as well. So either side, you don't need to worry about which levels I need to mark down, where it could reverse on and all. If we don't mark down these levels as well, then also it is fine, because it is telling you from the bottom and from the top that you can take the trade confidently. What your stop loss could be. This was your stop loss, 25,000, no, was the, let's say, the buying entry 25,016 and 25,034. So how much point that would be? Only 18 points stop loss. Or if you want to go for the safer side, so that was less than 40 points of your stop loss. What was in Bank Nifty on 5 minutes? See, you already have a signal there. And this gray area is also telling you, that if it is trying to go up, you don't need to be in that trade. You don't need to immediately jump in this trade, okay? There was a signal from the top, and reason is because there was a signal from here, so it is checking last 3 candles, but eventually the trade was here. So like I said in my video, I will leave the video link in the description. So there are only 2 conditions: either it generates the signal, or candle is below the ATR for the sell signal, and opposite for buy side. When price is above ATR, you can take the trade, or look for the signal. Either way, isn't it wonderful, giving you so much perfectionality from the indicator side? No one can beat it, because I have used my 5 years of trading experience in this one, not just for coding, for the logics or the condition that I have built in this indicator. Okay, so look at the beauty, man. Even I'm surprised, or I would say I'm very much impressed with this thing. Honestly, I didn't use this no trading zone area before. I by default disabled it, but when I see it now, that is more of a beneficial thing in the especially in the Nifty, Bank Nifty. If you grade it out, no problem. So if you have taken the trade here, as long as price is below ATR, you are in the trade. Okay, price is trying to go up, so it is telling you that it is a no trading zone. If you have missed the entry, and if you are taking an entry, let's say this was the red candle, it tried to go up, but we got the rejection, so it is telling you hold on, no need to trade again. So that is the beauty of this indicator. I loved it, man. I really loved it. Awesome. So I'll leave you guys with the trading. So now Bank Nifty is giving a buy signal, trying to give a buy signal. So if the closing is above the ATR line, there could be a potential trade, because this was the pullback zone. Okay, like we discussed in yesterday's video, which I posted. I will post both the videos in the description. I will leave it for you, so that you can review and take a look at it. So market is trying to react the way we discussed in the video. Okay, till then, take care, have a nice day.